Hey folks, Martin here from Mobility Direct. This is just a short video showing you how to disassemble the small mobility scooters that we rent and sell. The model we have here is a Pride Apex Lite, but regardless of model, all the small scooters we do from Pride will disassemble in the same way. So to start with, we turn the key to the off position and take the key out. Now you can leave the key in, but it is advisable to take it out just so you don't accidentally damage it during transport. Next part then is we take the seat off. So firstly the back of the seat rather will fold over like so. Then we use our two hands and just lift straight up like that, and we put it down on the ground. Next part then is to take the battery pack out. So this is your battery pack. What I recommend here is putting one hand on the seat post, another hand on the handle of the battery pack, and just lifting straight up. We put that out. Next part then is you just want to separate the two sections here. So you can lift this little lever up here. You can usually do one hand here and just put your hand on the rear of the motor and lift them straight up like that. Next then we loosen this little wheel here, and that allows us then to drop the handlebar section down. You can also take the basket off. It just slots off like that, and that's really our 4 or 5 parts, if you're including the basket, that comes apart. When you're putting this into the car, usually what I recommend doing is putting this section in first, okay, and then using the battery and then sliding the battery in under the handlebar section, and then the rest of the parts. That's usually the best way to save on space. So when you're putting it all back together, first we join these two sections, so there'll be 2 hooks here, and these need to rest on the bar here. And it clicks in like so. We loosen this wheel here, tighten it back in again. We put our battery pack in. So again, the battery just drops in like this. And then we want to put our seat in. Usually I grab by the back of the seat. There's a little connection here going into the seat post. We line that up, and that's that. And then we just pop the basket back on. And that's that. So if you have any questions on this, then please get in touch. Our contact details are below. All the best.